That's the sound of change, of innovation, of greatness being created, built on dreams, sweat, and hard work. For years, we've been building more than just heavy equipment. For years, we've dedicated ourselves to understanding the collision repair industry and its inner workings. For years, we've created trust, a trust built on quality. That's the spark that ignites us. Experience is what matters when it comes to collision repair. For over 50 years, Car-O-Liner has been at the forefront of the industry, providing the best collision repair equipment to shops and technicians across the globe. Our dedication to quality and innovation has allowed us to create a brand of trust with products shops can depend on. We invest in our manufacturing processes, using high-strength Swedish steel to ensure exceptional quality in the equipment we produce. For half a century, the people that build, sell, and use Car-O-Liner have one thing in common: quality. It is our legacy. And we are proud to help you succeed. One pull, one weld, one repair at a time. After more than 50 years, Car-O-Liner continues to raise the standards in the collision repair industry, delivering the best products and services. We have much to be proud of and continue to look forward to all we can accomplish together. Our journey has just begun. Car-O-Liner, built in Sweden, built on trust.